Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day today. So today I'm going to be tackling my master bedroom. I have been doing a lot of things, so it's a lot messy. Over the last week I've had my fireplace installed. Well, it's going to get installed Tuesday. And then the shutters, you're going to see the shutters in the video, but today I will not be addressing them. I have a whole separate video coming on that. And then yesterday I ordered the rug for my master. You guys, it is absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna pin a picture right here so you guys can see it. It's so pretty. I don't know, like I want to create this whole vibe-ish in this room. I want it to be like sexy, romantic, and all this other stuff, but it feels really good. And the fireplace was like the last touch in the room. I did record some of that. I think it should be before this video, so you guys should have already seen that by the time you see this. So pretty much I am cleaning the chaos that ensues with all of the renovations going on. Well, some of you guys have asked what else is left after this deconstruction, and what is left is the coffer ceilings. I mentioned it, but I didn't mention it because I didn't want anyone to ask me or for me to feel pressure. But my thought was, because the loft was, I think it's either 12 or 14 feet high. I'll double check and put it here also. You guys see that? I thought it would be a really great feature to do something in the ceiling. I didn't want it to be something that I did here in the master. So I thought coffer ceilings, and the guy will be here Tuesday to do the coffer ceiling. So while he's doing that, the shutters company will be going around and finalizing the shutter, caulking everything, making sure everything is where it's supposed to be at. Everyone is masked, sanitized, and all that jazz. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning my master. You guys will get to see that. If for some particular reason during the cleaning process you have a question, feel free to drop it down below. All right, you guys, before I get started cleaning, the first thing I do is turn on my Pandora and set some music, and then I'm gonna jump right into making my bed. As you saw from the previous video, when I am laying in this thing by myself, honey, it is an easy cleanup, which is why I like sleeping in my little one section. This particular day, my son decided to get in the bed with me, and it was a whole situation. So now I'm making the entire bed. When I get done kind of arranging everything, I like to go in with a little bit of the linen scent FEBREZE. This is not to deodorize the bed. It's like a little pick-me-up for the sheets and the comforter. I do wash my bedding weekly, and in between that time, I will spray the FEBREZE. The way the pillows are currently on the bed isn't how they're going to be permanently. As you can see, I only have my box spring in my mattress. I'm hoping possibly, and if it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, but I'm really hoping that by the end of September, I can order my bed. I've been working on getting all that together. As you guys can see, there's been a lot of renovations going on in the house. Not that it needed it. I'll take blame for that, but I really just wanted the house overall to have a look, and I wanted to take care of those things first. But anyway, I'm making the bed. The last video that I did, you guys asked about the bedding, and I'm gonna tell you now, everything is from Home Goods, minus the pillows. What I do is I like to layer. So I have a goose down comforter, I have the quilt, then I do like a duvet, and then the sheets, and I do different sets, and then I put them together when I'm making the bed, and it ends up looking really nice, especially when you like layer. Now that I'm done making the bed, what I'm going to do is move to my day bed. I don't know how this thing looks on camera, but to me, it's pretty big. I can sit on here with the boys very comfortably without any issues whatsoever. So what I just did is remove the attachment head. That way I can get into those pockets of the tufted on the daybed, because like sometimes crumbs and just lint and things can just kind of fall in there. So I find that doing that really keeps everything clean.
Gotta be my someone.
Now that I'm done with all the upholstery, what I'm gonna do is clean the mirror and dust it. That little white thing you see behind the mirror, it's a towel. I am going to move it. I ordered some Velcro from Amazon. I'm waiting on that to come, because what I'm gonna do is line the back of the mirror with the Velcro, because I don't want it to like scratch up or even leave a mark on the paint. So I put a towel in order for the mirror not to scratch up the wall. I am using Spray Way on the mirror. Love Spray Way.
Just turns around. I get stunned by your.
But now that I'm done with the mirror, what I'm doing is moving over to the console table. This last month or so, maybe even last 2 months, it's been a lot of cleaning, uncleaning, cleaning, and uncleaning. I clean when I'm really not supposed to. And I say not supposed to because there's like so much dust going on. But I feel like if I don't clean, it's going to mount up to something super massive and then it'll be overwhelming. I do find it a little bit easier to clean as I go. But as I was cleaning the console, I noticed that I did not put the plate on the light switch. So I'm currently putting that on there now. This is from Lutron and I did get it from Home Depot. I will be linking it in the description box if you're interested.
Follow you into the sun, shooting rays like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone.
But now that I'm done, I'm going to start placing everything back on the console table. The vase that you guys are seeing now is from Home Goods. And then the picks that I am putting in are from Pier 1. I'm not 100% sure, but I think Pier 1 is closed now. So I have no idea. I think different locations are closing at different times. You may still be able to get your hand on some. This console for me is basically the epitome of what I always talk about to you guys, which is the mixture of high and low. The console is a high, the tray, well, you know what's a lot of high on this table. The only thing that's not high is the books and the vase. I think everything else was pretty expensive because the crystal was like $100. But you guys, look at the console. It looks so beautiful. I absolutely love it. I wouldn't change a thing. I love the way that it's currently set up. But I'm going to go ahead and sweep, clean up, and then mop the room.
Everything just turns around. I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun, shooting rays like a shotgun. You gotta be my my someone.
If you guys are interested, the vacuum that I am using is from LG. I actually did a video for them about a month ago, maybe. It might even be less than that. And I shared the vacuum. I love the vacuum, you guys. It is absolutely amazing. It is lightweight, easy to use. The attachment heads are amazing. Again, if you're looking for a vacuum and you haven't figured out exactly what you want to buy, let me sway you over here to the LG side. I will be leaving the vacuum link in the description box if you guys are interested in checking it out.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them?
Now that I'm done vacuuming, I'm going to be going in with my Day Chateau cleaning solution. I mentioned this in a video previously. The flooring itself, it's an oil-based flooring, so I can't use any of the Swiffer or any of that stuff on the flooring. It just really requires some warm water. I add the solution in there simply because, and it's only a cap full also, only because the dusting and the wood and everything that was on the floor, I just really wanted to get the floor back into a really, really nice shine. If you're interested, like I mentioned, the hardwood floor is from Day Chateau. I will be leaving it, and it is in Domenico, and it's really, really nice. It's such a warm color, and it gives off a little bit of gray, a little bit of browns, creams. It's just perfect. I already had an idea of furniture and look that I was going for, so the flooring was just like the extra added bonus.
Understand? Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me for I pass out. I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Now that the flooring is done, I pretty much turned on my Fanimation fan, and I'm going to be using this to help quickly dry the floor because it is a little damp. It took about maybe 30 minutes for the floor to dry. That is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.